Hello everyone, we have another digital SAT math question with us. Let's solve this one. An event planner is planning a party. It costs the event planner a one-time fee of $35 to rent the venue and then $10.25 per attendee. The event planner has a budget of $200. What is the greatest number of attendees possible without exceeding the budgets? So we'll just make up a equation for this given word problem. Technically, our budget is gonna be 200. So we will pay $35 no matter what the planner will pay. Plus, let's say for each attendee, we don't know how many attendees will be attending. So let's call X for the attendee, number of, let me write it down here, number of attendees, let's say, is equal to X. So 10.25, I'm not putting dollar signs, but let's say I can put, times X is going to be, is not gonna exceed the budget. So it can be less than or equal to $200. So to solve this, I'm going to take away 35 from each side to isolate the variable. So these are gone. Let's continue with the red. So 10.25x is going to be less than or equal to, when you take away 35 from 200, you will have 165. Again, remember that you're allowed to use your calculator during the test. So you can go ahead easily divide both sides by 10.25. Why do we divide by 10.25? Because we're trying to get x by itself, the variable by itself. So when you divide 165 by 10.25, x will be less than or equal to 16.09, and it keeps going. So we can even convert it to, we don't need to round it, but I'll just put 7 here. So the X number of attendees cannot exceed 16. So what's the minimum can it be? It'll be 16 attendees. So there will be 16 people. 16 attendees. Okay, our answer is 16 for this question. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck on your tests and exams.